very much. It's a great pleasure to welcome all of you here, but especially our most distinguished guest, Professor Wajidi. It's of particular note that we have a distinguished academic come today. We, as politicians, have to wrestle with solving difficult social problems wherever we are, whatever our ideological perspective. And we're continually seeking evidence on which to base decisions. And sound evidence comes from sound research. So all of us owe a debt to rigorous academic endeavour. So honouring our guest today is, in a way, an opportunity for someone engaged in politics, some would say engaged in the enactment of social engineering, although I would reject such an accusation. And we all have a great deal to learn from, as I said, conscientious research. The international links through the academic world have been constant for centuries, if not millennia. We know that the learning that existed, I probably don't have to tell you, the learning that existed in the Islamic world, the Middle Ages, permeated into Western Europe by contact between the great seats of learning and the great philosophers and literary figures and scientists, mathematicians of that time. So when we make links today, and there was also, of course, great links throughout the seats of learning of Europe, which benefited and brought great advances to the human race over many centuries. So when we meet today and try and forge links between our centres of academic excellence, we're continuing a long tradition that has borne innumerable benefits, both spiritual, intellectual, and scientific and sociological to the human race. So I hope that by endorsing this process today, we can all look forward to a greater understanding between nations for the advancement of us all.